What's that? What do you mean?
One component, right?
Yeah, because we're gonna cut those off, and the bottom layer is gonna go underneath this right here, and we're just gonna run it straight out this way. So they have to go. And if there's no poster, we might have to replace these posts, and we might have to do it all. I don't know. We'll check it when we get there. But yeah, this is why you want to use a platform like V-Base Services live streaming when people build your decks and when they do projects for you, because this is the frame underneath the deck that we just tore up. You can go to our website, V-Base Services, and you can watch the live stream of Jacinto demoing the deck wood. Hey, what's up? And because there was wood under here, but it was sitting on the ground, and they weren't on no poles. And this one is like, they're not even uniform. They're just through together. And this, I don't know, we'll have to dig some new holes up here and put new wood. These are leaning to the side. This one wasn't even connected on nothing. It was just, yeah, it was in bad shape. Yeah, so you always want to watch. If you're not home, just having to kind of stream you or something and show their work underneath where you can't see at. Look, this one isn't even connected. Look, that one got cut off for some reason. They got this scabbed together. This one isn't even reaching the door. This one is also scabbed. It's not even connected. And this one's rotted out. And this post isn't even deep. It's not even in cement. So you always want to take a peek in and watch your handyman or your contractor. And yeah. So
This isn't even connected either.
yeah, I know. That's why I said it's not even. They just stuck something there on the ground. You can't just stick stuff on the ground. You have to use a 4x4 post, and you have to stick it in cement. Oh, this one is cemented. It's solid. That one is solid. That one is solid. They only got 4 posts though. That's not solid. Yeah, these two might be in cement, but that's all the posts. Well, it looks like they got a post here, but it looked like it just mildewed off these two. It might have been all right 40 years ago. I don't know. But yeah, so these are completely gone. So we have to figure something out there. We have to dig some new holes. And yeah. And up under the house where the siding is at, we'll have to figure out something over here and repair that before we build the deck, because the siding, there's nothing to nail the siding to except for the sides. Yeah, it's pretty much gone. So we'll have to figure that out. Yeah. Okay, and so yeah, we're gonna need new posts up here. So that's extra 1, 2, extra 3. Let me see how this is right here. Hey, don't take them off. Just take the board off. Just cut the board. This post, we need a new post right here. And yeah, we'll just use that post. We'll just use that hole, and we'll know we have to dig one right here. So yeah, we'll figure it out. Okay, and they put this on a cement slab. Okay, we'll figure it out. Yeah, this started out as a simple repair, but we took some deck boards off and it turned into basically a new deck. Because as you see, them boards down there are about 3 inches low. So yeah. All right, let me get a material list together. And if you want to see your work getting done, go to vbaseservices.com. And just call us up and we'll come out and take care of you. All right, everybody have a blessed day.